Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go!
What is up guys, this is Yafara back again on another Cairns Adventure. The plan today is to drive all the way to this beautiful waterfall with a bunch of people, and then from there we'll be driving back to the car rental place so that we can return our car. The car rental place is going to give us a shuttle service to the airport, so final activity, and then from there from Cairns to Sydney. So that's pretty much it. And today's location is a beautiful waterfall situated in Woorenoorong National Park. Woorenoorong National Park. And this waterfall is called Behana Gorge. It's a beautiful waterfall, I think one of the tallest in Cairns. Also wanted to let you all know that unfortunately, due to some safety concerns and everything, the guy who took us down the waterfall told us not to take our phones with us because we might end up getting lost with our mobile phones, like taking photographs, like videos and everything. We might end up killing ourselves. So the only thing which I could carry was my GoPro, which was mounted to my helmet. And the only downfall with that is that I don't have 2 or 3 GoPros, right? Just one. So I had to mount it on my helmet, and then in the meantime I had to swap it with Navios so that we could each be in the frame. And the other issue was that some of the clips will be a bit shaky because it was mounted to Novel's helmet, and then since he's not much focused into shooting stuff, since he's a person like who enjoys the moment, some of the clips were not at the right frame. And today I'm finally in Cairns. I don't want to leave this place because it offered us so many adventure activities and we love the landscape. If you guys are watching this from Sri Lanka, man, it's another level of Sri Lanka with a lot of mountains and beaches literally around the mountains. So it's like having beaches in Kandy, having beaches in Nuwara Eliya. So it's a vibe like that. If you Sri Lankans watching this video want to know more about this place and how this place looks in Australia and everything, just go watch all my videos in the Cairns Adventure list. Even the weather, it's all the same guys. I've been told it's like summer 365 days. And also guys, the hospitality there was just like Sri Lanka. People were so nice to us. We enjoyed the time. You know what? Every single day we went on any activity, we have somebody there who would entertain us throughout. Like for the whole day, we will get someone. I think it's the kind of vibe we get in Cairns. We could only do so much in these 5 days, right? There's so many activities here, we couldn't cover it up in these 5 days. So I have actually plans in the future to come to Cairns again, maybe for 2 weeks or something like that, and then do all the remaining crazy activities which we couldn't do because of COVID restrictions. So in the future, if you all wanna learn more about this place, or if you want me to do more videos in Cairns, let me know in the comments as well. And a final shout out to Cairns. Man, it's a beautiful lush green city which you must visit in Australia if you are living here, or else if you are a tourist. I don't know, there's more in this world to learn from traveling than anything else. It's just me guys, I love traveling, so especially adventure travel. And I think I've talked much for today. Let's go to the video straight. Let's go guys, let's go.
Let's go canyoning, that's Behana Canyoning. My first victim for today is gonna be this guy. His name now is Crispy. Okay? Skippy. Ah, yeah, Skippy. Yeah, go back. Like a tape on old days, yeah. Go back. I'm gonna give information for the person behind me, and the person behind should keep the information going. Do not stay too far away from each other. Let's try to move together. A lot of people come, they get drunk, they drink the water without here, and they fall down. That's right. Consider waterfalls here, okay? We're going to start jumping up there. Yeah. Okay, it's going to be our first jump. We're going to go across, jump from the other side for practicing. And then, if you are interested, we come up here. We don't jump from here. We could, but by the laws we cannot. Anything over 12 meters in Australia you cannot jump, okay? Go back in the water. Get in there so I can take a photo of you. that jumping point, okay? We're gonna go down and it's too sleepy. So I do the safety, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So I just put this hanger here. Yeah. A carabiner like that. The rope up here. It's called a double bow line knot. One of the most secure knots in the world. One by one, and it's slide down. This way. I place the rope and then I stay here. Up. Yeah. Okay, lean back and yeah, good. A little bit more that way. Okay. That's much more capacity. Up. Yeah, much better. Yeah, you got it. Please guys put your right hand up and your left as well and put them together. Lean back. Just hand relax. That's fine. That's it. That's it.
And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I think this is the right time because I'll be posting more weekly content in the future with regards to travel and tech content as well. So please do hit that subscribe button, like if you like this video, and also your comments and all sort of feedbacks in order for me to improve the channel and also to provide more quality content in the future. Your comments are much appreciated. I have plans to do tech videos as well because I've always been a tech enthusiast. Let me know in the comments as well what you think about that idea. Also, I want to tell you that as of today, I'm recording this video, Sydney is under strict lockdown. It's been under lockdown for the last 2 months, and even Queensland is under lockdown. Queensland is where Cairns is. So right now you can't do any sort of activities if you are from Sydney, or else even overseas travel, like even tourism industries like right now is like shut off because of COVID. Thank you so much guys. You guys have a beautiful day and stay safe in these COVID times. So that's pretty much it. And the other thing is that